Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be showcasing what I've been looking at in this in the current market. I know it's very early in the morning and my brain is still not functioning properly, so excuse any mistakes that I make. I just want to go through some of the pairs that I'm looking at. I know it's the end of the month and I just want to go through some of the things that I've seen and what I'm looking for currently. As it's towards the end of the month is actually in 2 days, ending 2 days. So I'm not really looking for any opportunities to get in, but however, I do see myself. Well, I'm currently in a trade already in Gbpusd. So I'm waiting to see how that plays out. Also, I'm not looking to get into any other trades other than that, purely because I don't see any big volume pushing in. As of last week, there was this great bearish rejection of the moving averages, and I do have this daily fib to the downside. So I do have short bias on US dollar. So I do see US dollar going further down. However, at this moment time, I'm waiting to see how it continues on the lower time frame. As you can see on the 2 hour time frame, um, price action is above the moving averages, um, and it's not creating any directional bias to downside. It's more showing to the upside. As you can see, it's rejected off the blue MAs, creating this hammer, and I do see this going further up. This could be a consolidation phase. I'm not too sure, but at this moment of time, I do see US dollar going up, and hence why I am shorting GBPUSD. Let's look at it from the daily time frame. Yesterday closed as it wasn't really a shooting star. It does look quite similar to a shooting star, but it's more of a doji. It just showed all big volume of bears selling. On the 4 hour as well, you can see this. I did get in on the third candlestick rather than the second or the first. It's created a new higher high. So at this point, it's either going to reject this area and then create a new higher high, or it's going to break it and create a new lower low. But only time will tell. I'm keeping my eyes on it on the 2 hour time frame. The last 2 hours created a shooting star, rejecting off this market structure, rejecting off the moving average as well. Also on the 1 hour, you can see this a bit more clearly. I did get in a nice position there, so I am, as you could say I'm risk free at the moment, but I'm not really. I'm keeping my stop loss high just in case of any news or anything pops up, but I am waiting patiently, as this trade could take a little while, to maybe by the end of today or beginning of tomorrow. Well, that is my forecast for GBPUSD. Also US dollar, I'm going to keep my eyes on it because, as you can see on the 4 hour, it's consolidated for the last 12 hours. So I'm not really keen on US dollar doing much, but we keep our hopes up and see how it will continue on. So that's my outlook for GBPUSD and US dollar, as it's the end of the month. I'm not really trading anything else, but what I have seen is Euro JPY as of this morning, creating this bearish sentiment. I'm not going to trade it because, again, it's the end of the month. I'm not looking to for any volume, but I just want to point out how the nice bearish push to the downside it was. Also, Aussie dollars reacting the same as GBPUSD. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see how choppy it was, and this is purely why I'm keeping out of the market as of this week, because I need to see a nice strong bearish break of this counter trend line, and then I would look forward to selling it to the downside. But as of now, it it is a good sell. It's respecting market structure, and it's creating lower highs. So yeah, it's most likely going to create a new lower low. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and look forward to showing you more on the next video.